Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on opening the bonnet or popping the hood on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Whether you call it popping the hood or opening the bonnet, it's easy to do when you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to open the bonnet on the Seat Arona. The lever to open the bonnet is in the footwell to the left of the steering wheel. Pull the lever towards you to open the bonnet. You will hear the bonnet open. For the next step, go to the bonnet. You will see that it is now partially open, but you need to undo the catch to open it fully. The catch is under the hood just to the left of the Seat logo. Slide your hand under and find the catch, then move the catch to the left to unhook it. You can now lift up the bonnet. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.